to Louisville, Kentucky. Living in North Carolina. There we go. We seen few elks, moose, but we didn't take picture. Somebody's in a hurry, always, as always. We miss out. We miss out on opportunity to take some good pictures. There's a bunch of them close to next to the road.
Just got out and stood next to them and got selfie.
I can't get my camera.
Threw you up on one of their backs and got a picture.
Oh my goodness.